Hi, hi guys. I will show that's how to use Kafka on your local Ubuntu 18.04 system, and I have already downloaded the files from official Kafka website. So right, I am already in my Kafka folder. That's Kafka 2.12, whatever it is there. First we will see which folders are there. So it contains two vital folders. One is this binary, or let me show you what this contains. See, you can have all .sh files. These are the important sh files. We will be using these sh files as commands, okay, to two different purposes like Kafka stream, server start, server stop. Okay, there is a consumer processes and for producer process also. Okay. So and other than that, what we have more, we have this configuration files. This configuration files contains all .properties files. These properties files are vital files. I mean, they are important actually for running your Kafka. So well, all clear. Let's first start. We'll be using sudo command as it gives you privileges over over that administrative purposes. So we will start our zookeeper server first, and along with this we will be using our configuration files of zookeeper properties. Yeah, right. So our zookeeper has already started. Now what we will do, we will start our Kafka server. Well, I guess I have already used it here. You can see it here. This is a server.properties file which is in configuration folder. Along with that, we have used Kafka server start.sh. So guys, always keep in mind, like, first you need to start our zookeeper server, and then we are going to use this Kafka server, because Kafka server runs over zookeeper server. In you do the opposite, it will already terminate the within, it will give some errors. So like now what we're going to do, we're going to create some topics. So first let this Kafka so first just create some topic names for one purposes. For this we will be using Kafka topic.sh. Create as we are running it on our local machine, so we will be using this local host. You can also use like 127.0.0.1, and now, well, let me remind you, this 9092 is the default port number on which our Kafka server is running. Okay, so you can change it by altering the properties files. Now we can give our replication factor let's consider give it as 1, as it's for beginners only, and partitions, let's give it also 1. Well, what are replication factor and partitions are like? Replication factor are number of copies of your topic that will be maintained by Kafka server on your local machine. In case you just lost some data in one of the replica, it will just refer to another replica as a backup. you can give as number as possible. For our beginners purpose, we have taken only one. And what are partitions? Partitions are like they will not use the data. I mean, they will store the data in different partitions, not in a single streamlined way. So other than that, what we need to keep the name of our topic. Okay, so for our topic name, we will be giving like test 1 2 3. Yeah, let's see. Okay, there is something mistake. I made a mistake. Yeah, got it. It's actually topics.sh. Yeah, we'll see how to it. You can see some changes have been done in our background in our Kafka server, and you can see this one already been made. Topic has been created. In case if you want to see the topics, you can do that also. Like Kafka topics. You will list all created topics and also mentions the server on which our Kafka has been running. Yep. You can see this test 1 2 3 which I have created just right now. So for using consumer and producer processes, we will using this test 1 2 3 topic name. Well, so first create a producer. Fair enough. Now we'll be using Kafka console producer. It's running on Bootstrap. Now we will mention the topic name over which this producer will produce the messages. Topic and name of our topic is test 1 2 3. Well, surely I've made a mistake. Well, let's see. It's a good thing just to make a mistake, so you can learn from it actually. Well, you see Bootstrap, I have made a spelling mistake out there. Yup, definitely. Make this big. What's our error here? Bootstrap server is not a recognized one, and the mistake is well, I guess I have made a certain mistakes. For this we don't write a Bootstrap server, for this we run the broker list. Well, Kafka is a broker and we need to write this command as broker list. Yeah, I'm sure it will do. Yeah, we can already see our producer process has already been started. Yeah. Let's do another thing, like start another process for consumer. Let me do it first. 2.12 star. And this we will be using bootstrap command, specify the server on which our Kafka has been running. Well, password, and I guess it's right. So you can see like this is our producer process, and on left side you have a producer process, on right side you have a consumer. Okay, just write something. Hello world. Yeah, you can see it, or you can just write, suppose this is my name. We'll just send in afro format for one. Switch. So we can see that already our Kafka is doing fine. Okay, for extra specifications along with this we can mention like if we want to see the previous messages that's already been processed in the consumer, so we will be using like from beginning. See here. So what's the difference? Just if you give the from beginning, like the previous process data that already been consumed by the consumer will be shown here. Other than that, if we use it without using from beginning, it will show nothing. I mean the previous message will be not shown. The new messages will be shown. Here. Well, that's all for now. Thank you.